So there we go with the agenda of this module. So the first topic that we will discuss is the anatomy of complaints. So the customer value pyramid would tell us that why we should take complaints with like a gift and not a curse. Concept of moment of truth will be followed by that, which is about rapport building. So how complaints occur, what are the reasons behind, what are the backgrounds for which the customers complained. We'll discuss those elements. Then on the next front we will also discuss the complaint mechanism, how to complain, how to control it when the complaint comes through, be it through email or telephonic conversation or face-to-face meeting with the customer. Going forward, we will discuss the solutions to handle various type of difficult or complaining customers. So there is no specific type of customers that you got to deal with. Various customers with various perceptions, with various behaviors might come to you with complaints. All of them may have different objectives, they may have different expectations from you. Accordingly, you need to have various strategies in place. As we say, different strokes for different folks. Then further we will discuss 4 golden sutras of good customer service. Why do we have to discuss about good customer service? Because poor customer service becomes a common reason for complaining customers. Last not the least, we will also discuss how to say no professionally to the demands of the customer that makes our life more easy. Well, having said that, let's continue with the discussion of the module in detail in next lecture.